In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove inactive subscribers from mailing list on Mailchimp. Keeping your list healthy improves deliverability, lowers costs, and ensures your messages reach people who actually want them. In this walkthrough, we'll identify subscribers who haven't opened your recent campaigns, save them as a segment, and then exclude that segment when you send future emails. This way, you effectively remove inactive subscribers from your mailings without permanently deleting anyone. Start by signing in to Mailchimp. From your dashboard, head to the audience area. This is where your contacts live and where you manage who receives what. Inside Audience, go to Segments. Segmentation lets you filter contacts based on behavior, so you can target or exclude them with precision. Create a new segment. You'll see filter fields appear. In the first filter dropdown, choose Email Interaction. This tells Mailchimp you want to build the segment around engagement with your campaigns. In the second dropdown, choose Did Not Open. We're focusing on people who have consistently ignored your recent emails. Next, use the third dropdown to set the timeframe logic to any of the last. This lets you define how many of your most recent campaigns count toward the inactivity rule. Enter a number. 5 is a solid starting point for many senders. Any of the last 5 campaigns means you're looking for subscribers who did not open any of your 5 most recent sends. If you mail very frequently, you might increase that number. If you mail infrequently, you might decrease it. Keep in mind that open tracking can be affected by privacy features in some email apps, so think about what makes sense for your audience and cadence. When you're happy with your filters, click Review Segment. Mailchimp will show you how many contacts match. If the count looks right, click Use Segment. Give your segment a clear, descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later, something like Inactive, No Opens Last 5 Campaigns. Then click Save and Exit. You'll now see your newly created segment listed, representing subscribers who haven't engaged with your recent emails. Next, let's exclude this group from a new send. Go to Campaigns. To keep things simple, open Email Templates, choose the Mailchimp Templates tab, and select a template you like. Click Create Email, and then choose the full template option. The design you pick here doesn't affect the exclusion step. It's just a quick way to get to the Campaign Builder. In the Campaign Builder, go to the To section to set your recipients. Look for the Do Not Send to option. This is where you'll specify who should be excluded. Open the dropdown, choose Segments, and then select the segment you just created for inactive subscribers. This tells Mailchimp to send your campaign to your intended audience minus everyone in that inactive segment. Click Save to lock in your recipient settings. That's the practical workflow. Identify the inactive group based on recent non-opens, save them as a segment, and exclude that segment when sending. This approach removes inactive subscribers from your mailings without deleting them, which is often the safest first step. It helps protect your sender reputation, can improve open and click rates, and gives you room to run a re-engagement campaign later if you choose. If you do run re-engagement, you can update the same segment logic afterward to reflect fresh opens. Remember, you can always revisit your segment and adjust the any of the last number to align with your sending frequency. Review the segment results before saving to ensure the count matches your expectations. Clear naming will save you time when you're selecting it in the Do Not Send to drop down during future campaigns. And that's it. You've learned how to create an inactivity segment in Mailchimp and keep those contacts out of your sends, helping you maintain a clean, effective mailing list.